Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing our paycheck. So we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and also our sinking funds. Now this is going to be a little bit of a shorter video only because we don't have a lot of sinking funds to stuff. Student loans has started back, which is a little stressful, but we have made like a lot of payments towards our credit cards. So hopefully we will get the Capital One paid off in the next month or so. So that would be super exciting, and that would be extra cash that we can put towards, you know, another bill or any of our sinking funds. So that is the plan so far. All right, so today let's count how much we are going to be putting in our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 30, 31, and 32. So $632 is how much we are going to be putting in today. And it is a lot of 20s. We are going to break some of this money down, mostly the fun money, because we are going to a really big yard sale tomorrow and I am so excited. They do this twice a year. And this is our second time going this year, and I already picked up my mom and everything, and we're just going to have a really fun time. All right, so first off is groceries, and groceries always gets $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So $100 in groceries. I think the new year I kind of want to maybe decrease some of our envelopes, our cash envelopes. So maybe groceries, we can downsize it to $80, which is going to be a little bit hard because of inflation. Maybe gas, it depends on, instead of 140, maybe drop it to 100 or 120, just a little bit at a time, just to see if we can save some money. So leftover gas, we have $2, and this $2 is going to be going towards challenges on Tuesday, our money challenges. So gas usually gets $140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 40. So $140. And then fun money, we have leftover 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our leftover money is 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So $7, and that is going to be going towards our money challenges on Tuesday, like I said. Now, fun money is going to be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is it. So fun money is $100. Gas is $140, and then groceries is $100 as well. Moving on to our sinking funds. Now, our sinking funds have not been shown a lot of love lately on a lot of the envelopes. So medical is one of our bigger ones, and we are going to be putting $20 in medical. And we're going to set that one aside real quick. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we have $275 towards medical, which is really good. And I do have a doctor's appointment, I believe, next Friday for some more blood work. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. Let's see. So car maintenance has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. So we have $157 in car maintenance. and I don't plan on using this anytime soon. We are updated on our oil change, tire rotations, all that. Vacation is going to be getting $200, and that is going to be going towards our Disney, and this will be unstuffed on Tuesday during our money challenge. Dobby and Oliver is going to be getting $10. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So $31 is in Dobby's and Oliver's. Vacation is going to be getting $20. So we have $21 in here. Home, we're not putting anything in there, but we do have $1. Special occasion is not getting anything, and we have $0 in that. Beauty has 10, 11, 12, and we're not putting anything extra in here. Renewal is the one that I really do need to start adding, because our HOA fee is due in December, early January, and that is, my part is $110 and Jared's part is $110. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6, and we are not putting anything in it this week. All right, so that is it for our cash envelopes, or not our cash envelopes, but our sinking funds. And then we have 20, 21, and 22. So we have $22 left, and that is going to be going into our side hustle. I have not been uploading on eBay for a couple of weeks. Hopefully I will do it this weekend, because we are going to be going yard selling, so I will have a lot of inventory to upload. So hopefully I can do that, and then we can get some deals in. The $22 is for 2 weeks, and this is all from eBay. I have gotten some orders from Etsy, which thank you guys so much for your orders. I am super excited about the Christmas launch, and if you would like to come and support me, check out my Etsy shop. It will be linked at the end of this video, down below in the description, and maybe on the screen as of right now. But anyways, so that is it. But all that from the Etsy shop is not going into my side hustle, is actually going straight into fertility treatments. So yeah, so all that 100% will go towards fertility treatment after I pay my sister-in-law, because she is part owner of this Etsy shop as well. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed our sinking funds, and we also stuffed our cash envelopes. And I know it's a very, very short video, but I hope you guys are having a great rest of the week. A great start to your weekend. If you're watching this, think of me and Mom. Hopefully we'll get some great deals. I love going yard selling with her. We're just going to have a fun time and just hang out and enjoy each other's company. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye, guys.